Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A16. So this phone I'm actually using now is a Galaxy A16. So let me just show you. Right, and you can see it right here, A16. So that